So today I am remaking the fruit jelly collection, and these are the very first glasses that I launched when I started my business back in 2021. I really like these glasses, but over time I feel like the tubes were kind of outdated. I just didn't like the squeeze tubes anymore, so I decided that I was just going to discontinue the whole collection. But some of you guys were asking about it a lot, so I decided that I was just going to have them back in the store, but in a different container. And the fruit jellies are still in squeeze tubes, but I just prefer the longer tubes over the little ones, even though filling them up can really be a pain in the neck. So over here, I'm just mixing all of my lip gloss bases. And I like to use 3 types of Versagels, and it's not really necessary, but it's just something that I like to do. I use the regular Versagel, a Flexigel, and a high shine lip gloss base just to kind of make the lip gloss more shiny. So now I'm adding the color yellow to the base to make the peachy mango lip gloss. And peachy mango is a new flavor that I added to the fruit jelly collection to replace the pineapple. And I really like this gloss because the color is really vibrant and it smells nice. It's peach mango scented, so I really like it. So once I get my desired consistency, I like to just go ahead and fill up my tubes. And one thing I don't like about these tubes is that they're really long, so it's kind of hard to fill them because the syringe doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. So here's what peachy mango looks like after it's done, and even though this lip gloss tube is really skinny, it does have a lot of products to last you for a while. So now I'm making orange for the fruit jellies, and this gloss is orange scented, and it has the little fruit slices. It used to be orange vanilla scented, but I decided that I'm just gonna make it one flavor, and I'm adding my orange pigment. This color, it's called Cali Sun from TKB Trading. So when it comes to adding colors, I like to start out little by little at a time and then add more as I go. And I prefer the liquid pigments over the micas. The mica pigments, sometimes they're a lot more harder to blend out. So I just don't recommend mica powders in lip products. With body products like body butters and body scrub, yeah, it works well. But for lip glosses, from my experience, I noticed that when I use mica powders, over time, sometimes they would start to change colors. Like what would be a bright pink lip gloss would start changing into like a brownish orange color. And I just didn't like that. Maybe it was the company that I bought the colors from, or maybe I did something wrong. But I would not recommend mica pigments for lip products. And plus, the liquid pigment, they just blend a lot more easier. So now it's time to start filling up the orange fruit jelly, and this gloss, it's orange scented and it has the little fruit slices. And even though it's a little more time consuming, I don't really mind it because I do like the end result. So here's how the orange fruit jelly looks like now, and I love the vibrant color and the new orange scent. So now I'm feeling blue raspberry, and blue raspberry, it's a new addition to the fruit jelly collection. This lip gloss is blue raspberry scented. So for some reason I just never added a blue lip gloss to the fruit jelly collection, and I keep getting messages from you guys telling me to complete the rainbow. So here's me completing the rainbow and adding a blue lip gloss to the collection. So now we have a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple lip gloss to complete the fruit jelly collection. And this lip gloss has a strong blue raspberry scent, so if you're like into those flavors, you will love this. So here's a swatch of the entire fruit jelly collection. Watermelon, it's watermelon scented. Orange is orange scented. Peachy mango, it's peach mango scented. Kiwi, it's strawberry kiwi scented. Blue raspberry, it's blue raspberry scented. And grapeful used to be grape, but now it has a mixed berry scent. And all of these products are now available on my website, bintibeauty.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And you can also check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, or visit my website, bintibeauty.com. And I will see you in the next video.